Hi guys, today I show you how to replace fuel lifted up filter pump underneath, and just want to show you how to do diagnostic. This one, you can see my vehicle just ignition is on, but engine does not starting, and show it low pressure fuel. I remove this clamp which is red, and usually it's the fuel pump is good. Usually it's like fuel come out, but I remove this clamp, turn it on ignition, and fuel does not come out. And in this case I think it's a reason. I think my fuel pump is dead. It's this fuel pump located underneath where is the fuel filter, and fuel pump located on the top. To remove fuel pump, we need to unscrew it, this bolt and this nut, and another side this bolt and this one nut. Okay, let's do this one. To unscrew it, the bolt, I use the socket number 12. I forgot I need to disconnect all electrical clamp. This is a water sensor, and this is on the top power for this pump. Okay, after when you unscrew it, bolts and nuts, just pull out the pump. Okay, right now you can see just fuel line. You need to disconnect it, this clamp, this and this. Okay, let's do this. Disconnect this clamp. I use a flat screwdriver, and you can see this clamp come out, and do same things with another one. And after this, just pull out, and that's it. And do same things with the red one, this one, and this one. Okay, after when you remove filter and fuel pump, you need to unscrew it, these 4 bolts, to remove this bracket to install on new one. Okay, let's do this one. I believe it's same. Yes, it's same, it's 12. Okay, after when you remove old bracket, you need to install old bracket for the new pump. When you install this bracket on new fuel pump, you need to put back this pump. Okay, let's do this. But before when we put back, we need to install all fuel lines. And don't forget, this one is inline, and this is one outline. Inline from the fuel tank, and this is the outline to the engine. Just make sure line is good, a clamp is good, and after this connected the engine line, and you do the same things. Just push it the line, and after this click the clamp and make sure everything good, and do the same things with the red. Push it the red one, and after this click the clamp up, and that's it. And after this connect electrical line. Okay, when all clamps is connected and electric line is connected, you can install back. You install back this pump, you can screw it the nuts in one side and another side. And you screw it bolts and nuts on this side and another side. Don't forget to put back water sensor. Okay, after when you replace the fuel pump, just push it start and stop button. Do not use the brake, just only ignition turn on. Maybe 5-6 times, maybe more. And after this, try to start engine. Engine is started and vehicle is working. Check the line under hood, no any leak, and check the line underneath, no any leak, everything good. And it's it. Thank you for watching.